folks at home, Sean Wiedas here with Wiedas Marine, and we got a treat for you guys today. I'm not 100% sure, but I think this is the world debut of the Phoenix 920 Elite. That's right, folks. 920 has been one of our best-selling boats. Certainly Phoenix is, I would say, very close between a 721 and a 920 as far as the all-time top sellers. And now we got an Elite version, okay? So it's got the same hull as the 920 always had. It's one of the fastest boats they make. But what they did was they brought their deck game up a little bit. And what you'll see is we got a flipping deck, low slung, low gunnels. Man, this boat here, you really want to get up and, you know, have an aggressive stance, get flippy with it, low gunnels, okay? But the other thing is it's got the PHX layout. We'll get up in the boat and check that out in a minute, but first let's check out, we got Warrior wheels on this, okay? So we've got shocks we put extra on the trailer. That's a must with your Warrior wheels. We got the paint over gator hide on this one. Put an Ultrex on it. And we went with birds. You know, these helixes, they're just, the side imaging on them is awesome. If you're anywhere in the southeast United States, the Lake Master map cards are phenomenal, and they come at a great price point. So we've been really high on these helixes here at Wiedas. Well, folks, this is what we're really talking about on this 920 Elite. We get up here, man, we got a low slung deck. That low lip is so important, whether you're punching mats down south or you want two guys up here paralleling, cranking riprap and stuff. This is going to give us a very aggressive deck to fish off of it. Now, with the Elite too, we're going to get a similar layout to the PHX, okay? Which means we're going to get a large center tackle compartment, okay? This is something new they're doing is we've got a foam board up here. All right, we used to have little clips that you can stick hooks and stuff in, place to hang crankbaits, hang spinnerbaits, all your good stainless steel hardware, and nice place here to put planos down the middle. Put your Ziploc bags of plastics on the side, okay? Speaking of plastics, one thing that never has a good place in a bass boat is your Kitech swim baits. They don't fit good in packages. They don't do good in bins. Of course, you can put anything you want, plastics. It's even got a drain in it. If you wanted to use it as a cooler, you got a little tray right there. Over here, we've got the main rod locker. This helix box is in the way, but you can get in here. You got plenty of rod tubes, plenty of places to put your rods. Slam latches, they all slam nice and tight. We got a mirrored rod locker over there. Of course, in the Phoenix, this is something they finally approved. They put a slam latch right here on this box. It's an option. They put a little seal around there. But folks, Wiedas Marine wants to be your home for Phoenix boats. You can pan out over here. Got one of the largest selections of Phoenix bass boats anywhere to be found. And we appreciate you watching our videos and subscribing to our YouTube. Check out some of our more detailed videos, and weather gets a little warmer, we'll be out doing a little bit more test rides. Check us out at WedasMarine.com.